It's gonna be very pigmented. I can feel it.
We got it.
It worked?
We got it.
I do not leave the house without eyeliner.
I used to wear it every day.
I think I've worn eyeliner since 8th grade, every single day of my life.
I used to wear it every day also, but now it's kind of like doing the fresh, no makeup look.
Oh, this is gonna be fun because I don't normally wear eyeliner.
Quikkat eyeliner strips.
This is cute.
Let's see. I feel like there's a lot of things in here.
Yeah.
1, 3, 4, 2.
There's instructions.
Do you outline it?
I don't do well with instructions.
Do you stick it on?
You seem kind of tense. So it says color in zone 2.
Apply Quikkat liquid eyeliner liberally.
I think we're doing it different ways.
Feels like we're using a coloring book right now.
I'm pretty sure I got this.
Should I wait for you?
No.
I'm so tense right now.
You know what you're doing. Now I can just copy what you did. You're making it easier for me.
If I don't color in the lines, I'm gonna ruin my makeup and my face.
Nothing happened.
Okay, so this is what it looks like, what I'm doing right now.
Let's see.
Nada pasa.
This is a hot mess. I'm definitely doing something wrong.
Going too fast.
Making sure it's that easy.
It's not that easy.
I still don't know if I get it.
Okay, Katie, here. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Peel off the pink portion.
Ariel, you don't even have to say in the lines. You can just, you know, color over it.
There we go.
So now, right, Katie.
Okay, you just do it for me.
All the ink is like transferring onto your eyelid.
I think we should leave it on for a little bit.
Let's do it like
I think I did it too far out.
and peel.
All right.
No. So you do
We
it
did
this
something
way.
wrong again.
Did it work for you?
No.
It didn't work for me either.
Third 10. Whoop, whoop. Let's go. It's a very messy process.
1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 10.
It's gonna be very pigmented. I can feel it.
We got it.
It worked?
We got it.
Woo!
Yes, we got it. Just call us makeup artists.
This one's more intense than this
might
one.
be a
So if you ever need to do this, make sure you have a friend that can help you.
Definitely worked better this time.
Like, now I just kind of want to go in and be like,
There you go. There you go. Looks good.
My eyeliner looks like I'm auditioning for Black Swan.
I think I would prefer doing eyeliner myself.
my eyeliner looks fantastic.
I feel like the next time I use it, I will know how to use it, how much. I think it's very good for beginners.
As a beginner, yes, this is a great product to use.
It's a stronger cat eye, so if you're trying to go for this look, then it's a cool thing to use.
The thing is, you can also use this with any other liquid eyeliner. You can try, you know, your favorite pen liner.
But somebody like me that's been doing a cat eye for years, I have my own system down.
I would totally use it again just to get comfortable.
Looks good on you.
Thanks.
Yeah, I think this should be like your everyday look.
Oh,
Yeah.
Eye game strong.